How does our mathematical engine paceval work, and what can you gain from it for your own development? Are you looking for an easy and fast way to offer mathematical models in your own programs on any software, hardware, and in the cloud? Are you looking for a safe way that your programs and your users can take advantage of all financial, stochastic, engineering, and scientific functions, as well as all machine learning models? The following example is very simple, but shows you how easy it is to create your own apps with paceval. Let's say you have this function, which is a simple mathematical model. In standard math notation, it looks like this. And that's exactly what you give our mathematical engine. Essentially, there are only two steps. First, a calculation object is created, where the user provides a function and the number of variable identifiers. Then, specific calculations can be made repeatedly using the created object, where the user provides values for the variables. During step create, calculation rules are created and adjusted towards maximum parallelizability. The mathematical calculations are readable and easy to maintain or enhance. The low volume of program code reduces a risk of error and maintenance effort. There are no limitations as to the function length or the number of variables. In step calculate, a calculation using the values of the variables is carried out. Partial sequences are distributed on all available processors of the system to achieve maximum speed. Effort-consuming calculations are cached to prevent repeated calculations. This process serves to provide various possibilities of software and hardware implementation. First, a mathematical engine in software that is the reference implementation of our software development kit. Second, a cloud-based mathematical engine as a very fast calculation server that is maximally scaled by Kubernetes. Third, a mathematical engine in hardware as a new type of math coprocessor. You are free to invent and implement other applications using our simple API. But our mathematical engine can do even more. Because computers cannot guarantee mathematical precision, it delivers additionally upper and lower interval limits in which the true calculation value is enclosed. Compared to other solutions, this approach allows to achieve unique degree of performance and precision. Our mathematical engine is system and platform independent, offers amazing calculation capability, and has a small size. paceval is the unique, easily integrable, mathematical engine for your software development in any programming language. You define the logic of the program. And paceval provides the calculation capability. Paceval. Create value fast.